Welcome to the installation of the SportRack SR6466 Groomer Deluxe 6-pair ski or 4 snowboard carrier. Begin installation by inserting the security bolts into the top clamp. You will need to apply a little force to set them into place. Loosely attach one side of the bottom bracket to each top bracket. The groomer comes with Torx security bolts to help with theft prevention. Place the ski carriers on top of your crossbars and begin to tighten down the bolts with your security Torx wrench. Be sure to tighten both sides evenly. Also be sure to not to over tighten the bolts. You can cause catastrophic failure to the plastic brackets. The amount of usable space is roughly 23.5 inches. 6 pairs of fat skis may not be able to fit. To open the carrier, press the gray button. There's a spring on the hinge side to help keep it open when loading. When closing it back up, make sure it clicks to the second notch on the clamp. To lock it, insert the key and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of the SportRack SR6466 Groomer Ski and Snowboard Carrier. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.